Today we are thrilled to be here at Patrick Malloy Soleil, which is an active adult community right here in Canton, Georgia. And I am joined by Patty. And Patty, it's great to see you. It's been a few months since I've seen you. So how have things been going?
Things are going great. We've sold 109 homes in 9 months. We have families that are starting to move into the community. That's very exciting. They're getting that community vibe, meeting each other, doing things together. And we're just excited with the success of the community so far.
Wow, well, you have been busy. And I love when the families move in too, because you get to get that feel of the community. And today we're here in one of your beautiful model homes. You have several model homes here. So can you talk a little bit about the homes at Soleil?
Absolutely. We have 8 different floor plans ranging from 1,400 square foot to 2,800 square foot. They're all stepless ranches. You can have them on a slab or a basement. And we have 5 decorated models you can walk through. They're beautiful, they're fully decorated, so you can get an idea how it feels to live in one of these homes.
Right. And speaking of living in a new community, it's always, about the activities and things to do. So what are the amenities like here?
We're going to have an incredible amenity here. It's called Resort Amenity. So we're going to have a 10,000 square foot clubhouse that will have a culinary kitchen, card rooms, coffee shop, cocktail bar, culinary kitchen, arts and crafts. Outside there'll be a pool, bocce ball, tennis courts, pickleball, community garden. So it's going to be a great place for our buyers to come in and really feel connected.
Wow, there's going to be a lot to do here at Soleil. And so that brings us to availability. What does the availability look like right now?
We have just opened some more lots, so we have availability for a slab home or a basement home. So whether you want either one of those, we can help you out.
Okay, so if somebody is interested, wants to learn more, what's the best way to do that, Patty?
Just give us a call at 678-300-9447, or you can email me at patty@soleilbelmontpark.com, or you can check us out on soleilbelmontpark.com website.
All right, well, Patty, thanks so much for being here with me today. Always a pleasure to see you. And if you are looking for an active adult community, don't miss out on Patrick Malloy Soleil in Canton.